Hi guys, it's me UB Programmer and welcome to the lecture 8 of Software Engineering Basic series, and we are talking about the domain knowledge. So we can grab this domain knowledge from these three methods, and one of them is state transition diagram. We can draw this diagram to understand the workflow of the whole business or the system, right, for which you are developing the software. And then we have the tabular methods, and in this form we use the tables to understand the domain of the business. Like if your client has sent you their working of the system in a long paragraph form, so it will be really useful to convert that paragraph into a tabular form, right, so that all of the team members can just focus uh, on their you can say the things they want, right, because in the paragraph there will be so many things and there can be vagueness also. So it can be a whole lot of mess to just understand the text based uh, document, and it will be easy to understand the tabular form if you have converted that text into a tabular method, right. Then there is, but these forms are not the generally the used one. The mainly we use the data flow model, so it is used to analyze the business working, and it mainly focus on the data flow of the business, right. So it is the widely used one, and we will talk about that in the next lecture also. So that's it for the lecture 8, and I will meet you in the next lecture. Thanks for watching.